Good morning guys, it is Sunday the 2nd of February, it's about 8 AM. It's quite a busy day today. Later I've got a vlogging event, a makeup masterclass, and I've got some YouTube work to do after that. But first I'm going to go to a spin class. For those of you following me on Instagram, you'll know that I broke my foot at the end of October and I tore a couple of ligaments, so I was kind of completely out of my normal routine and I was really feeling it sort of fitness and health wise. So at the beginning of January I added a spin class into my routine, and to be quite honest I was kind of scared of going to spin class because I kind of knew that it was noisy and shouty and fast. I'll insert a clip of how I felt when I first saw the studio. But I actually really enjoy it. It's only half an hour and it's a fantastic calorie burn. So yeah, I'm just walking to the gym and I will catch in with you again soon. That's me back from the gym. That was a nice little session actually. It's not too early, it's not too long, but it's nice and intense. So feeling good, workout done, now I can get on with the day. I would normally just go straight for a shower, but I'm gonna get my breakfast and then do some housework for an hour. So there's no point showering until I've done that. And then I will shower and get ready for this event. So the event I'm going to is a makeup masterclass with Inglet, which is a brand I've heard lots about and I've seen lots about, but I've never actually gotten around to checking out their products. I don't actually know why I haven't. They look great. So it'll be really interesting to see their new collection and learn a bit about the brand and about the makeup, and I'm looking forward to it. Now I'm gonna go and get something to eat, refuel, and get this house looking tidy because Velvet has been molting and it's not her fault, but I basically feel like I'm living in a fur ball. You can't even give her a kiss without getting a face full of fur. So yeah, gonna do the hoovering, mopping, all of that jazz, and then I'll check in with you again after that. Okay, so cleaning's done. Really glad to get that done. Don't feel like I'm inhaling fur anymore. I am gonna go for a quick shower and get ready. So here's the before, and did that work? Never done that before. So I've got a little red skirt on, some tights, just a simple white roll neck top, some gold costume jewellery, burgundy eyes. Sometimes when I'm going to events I'll wear false lashes as well, but I figured that because it's a makeup masterclass we might be actually taking our makeup off anyway, so there's not much point. In fact, come to think of it, we'll probably be taking all of our makeup off, so I probably shouldn't have bothered with any makeup at all. Damn. So I've just arrived. I don't know why this is so close up. There we go. I'm really excited about this event actually. There's not been many makeup events. Let's go inside.
Blush highlight. And we do these in metallic as well, so metallic's good if you're
I'm back from the Inglet event. That was absolutely fantastic. I can't believe I've never actually tried using Inglet products before. I've had a bit of a splurge, so I thought I would show you. I have a problem with palettes anyway. They're one of my favorite things. And something I've been thinking of doing for a while was building a palette that you basically have everything in. So like you've got your eyeshadows, but you've also got your lipsticks, you've got blush, you've got highlighter, you've got bronzer, and you know, concealers and stuff if you can fit them as well, so that you kind of just got a palette with like everything in it that you need except maybe foundation and mascara. So that's what I've done. Oh, that's my sushi that I picked up on the way that I'm gonna eat for lunch. Very excited about that sushi. Actually, it was so reasonably priced. I mean, these eyeshadows are £5 each, that's all. The whole thing has cost me 87, I think it was. I mean, look how much I've got. If that was MAC, that would have been 400 quid. Okay, so here are all the products out of their packaging. They've still got this like plastic protective stuff on them. I'm going to put all of these in there and then I'll show you what it looks like. Ta-da! So as you can see, I still have space. So I've got highlighters here. You can't really see how shimmery they are, but they are super, super shimmery actually. There, you can kind of see there. That's for contouring, coral blush, a setting powder that's just, you know, quite visible, slightly yellow toned pale concealer for under the eye, and then all the eyeshadows there. So we've got one sparkly one, and they're sparkly as well, and then some greys and some browns in matte. What I might do is get, as I say, a couple more lipsticks, burgundy one, and then either a slightly pinkier one perhaps, like a purpley pink, and then get a few more eyeshadows. Just put the lid on like that and you can take it with you. I'm gonna go and eat this sushi now because I'm absolutely starving, and then I need to start a little bit of work, so I'll catch up with you when I'm doing that. Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. Hi guys, it's now 6:45 in the evening. I was just watching the BAFTA's red carpet show. Really pleased I caught it this year because I always seem to miss the red carpet shows, but I saw this one. I'll insert a few images here of some of the dresses. I just love looking at red carpet fashion and the designs that the celebrities get to wear on the red carpet. And I might even do like a little, I don't know, what's in my wardrobe type video, or maybe some looks for spring or something like that. Anyway, yeah, it was quite ironic because I actually changed into some comfy gear and I watched the entire of the BAFTA's red carpet, looking at all those couture gowns in an oversized grey hoodie. Yeah, sexy. But actually, before I watched that, I was storyboarding a video for a haircare tutorial for a haircare brand I'm working with, and I also storyboarded this video, so I'll show you here roughly what one of those looks like. If anyone's interested in that template, then just DM me on Instagram and I'll sort of send you a photograph of what it looks like so you can make your own. And I was gonna meal prep next, but despite the fact it's nearly 7 o'clock, I'm not actually hungry yet. So I might actually go for a shower and do some pampering and some skincare first, and then see how I feel. Okay, so I am out of the shower and I'm about to do my skincare. Dermalogica pre-cleanse. I never don't use this to take my makeup off. It's really gentle, but it just gets off any makeup, old makeup, oils, pollution. And then I go in with my normal cleanser, which is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, which I really like as well. And tonight I used my Clarisonic just to get an extra deep cleanse. Tonight, just for an extra special treat, I'm gonna go in with these Rodial Glycolic Drops. This is just the sample size actually, because this is quite an expensive product, but honestly it's phenomenal. It really is one of the best products I've ever used for my skin. So it's a 10% glycolic acid serum, and until recently, like in the last couple of years, you couldn't even get that sort of strength of glycolic acid on the retail market. It was kind of a professional product only. So I probably only use it about maybe 2 days a week because you really don't need to use it any more than that. But I use it at night, and the morning after, my skin is, well, I've never actually felt a baby's bum, but you know what they say, like, skin as soft as a baby's bum. Well, I'm pretty convinced I would be rivaling a baby's behind after using this. Probably wouldn't use it if you have sensitive skin because it is a very high strength, and I wouldn't put it anywhere near your eye area, but otherwise give it a try and just see how your skin feels in the morning, because honestly it is a dream. And then because I'm kind of feeling like, you know, it's a Sunday night, kind of indulgent, I'm going to do my facial oil. Now, I was at an event with Elle magazine and Galan recently, and the beauty editor of Elle was there, and Nicola Joss, who is a celebrity facial artist, and they were showing us how to use a facial oil for a full facial massage routine at night. And so the facial oil that we were gifted, I'm not even going to try and pronounce it properly, I don't know French, but Abel Royale, and it's their Youth Watery Oil. Now, it is extremely hydrating, so again, I probably only use it about twice a week, but when I use it, I do go for the sort of full facial massage routine, and it doesn't take very long. Take some and put it all over your face, quite a generous amount, including the top of your neck. And then you also take what's left on your hands and put it on the back of your knuckles. You take these knuckles and you push from the chin all the way back to your ear, and then you sort of wiggle them here. And that's to basically help to release the fluids and the lymphatic fluid, and hopefully to get it go down to the lymphatic drains. So you do that maybe 8 times and you can be quite firm. Then you do the same, but you take your knuckles up this way. So you find where your cheekbone is and you basically put one knuckle either side of it, and it should come up diagonally. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers here, I'm not swearing at you, I swear, and you're going to start down here, so sort of either side of your mouth, and work upwards in a V, again, either side of that cheekbone, until you reach your eyes and your temples. And then these fingers here, so your middle fingers, you're going to tap lightly under your eye, out the way, to drain any fluid that's under your eye. And you want to do that super gently. And keep pushing with these fingers as you do it. Next, use all of your fingers just to push up quite firmly across your forehead. And that's to help lift the face, lift the skin, and stop those wrinkles across there forming. Lastly, for your face, you want to put your hands together in a prayer position with your thumbs together. Put one of your thumbs either side of the bridge of your nose, like that, and then push down as you sweep across. Now, I look like an absolute loony doing this, I know, but frankly, I don't care. It's all worth it for good skin. Now, facial massage is not something you can just do a couple of times and it's going to sculpt your face forever. You do have to keep doing it, but I think it's well worth it. It's also super indulgent. It's just a lovely part of self-care and, you know, self-love, giving yourself that extra time in the evening. You don't have to do it every single day. You will get better results if you do. But yeah, I love doing it. So now I've just got a little bit of eye cream and I'm just going to pop that there, and the excess on my lips. Okay, so that is my skincare done for the night. You know how when you're not hungry you just don't feel like cooking? Well, that's me just now. I was going to do some meal prep tonight for the week, but I'm still not hungry, which is really not like me. I have a big appetite. So I think I'm gonna leave the vlog there for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have got this far, leave me a comment down below with a little rabbit emoji, so that I know who's watching. And if you've got any questions, any video suggestions, again, drop me a comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Have a fabulous week, guys. Mwah.
Just close your eyes and let them rest. I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do